Welcome back. Measuring the execution time of a function or a block of code is a fundamental skill in optimization and debugging. It helps you identify performance bottlenecks. We can achieve this easily by using the datetime.now parenthesis method twice and then calculating the difference, which introduces a new concept, the time delta object. 1. The measurement principle. The method is straightforward. First, you capture a start time snapshot using datetime.now parenthesis before the code runs. Second, you capture an end time snapshot immediately after the code finishes. Finally, you subtract the start time from the end time. The difference is the exact time elapsed during the execution. 2. Calculating elapsed time. In this example, we use time.sleep parenthesis to simulate a long task. When we subtract start time from end time, Python creates a new type of object called a time delta object. This object represents a duration, or the difference between two datetime objects. The output shows the difference in hours, minutes, seconds, and microseconds. 3. Extracting total seconds. While the default time delta representation is human-readable, for performance analysis or precise calculations, you often want a single floating point number representing the total duration in seconds. The time delta object provides the .total seconds parenthesis method for this exact purpose. This gives you a high precision number that you can use for comparisons, benchmarks, or logging. To summarize, you can now easily benchmark your own code. Our next lecture 25.08. Validate credit card use case. See you there.